Welcome back to the Food for Life channel, where we bring you delicious, simple recipes perfect for any occasion. Today, we'll be making a crispy cheese rolls perfect for midday snack time, or savory appetizer for iftar filled with mozzarella cheese. You can use shredded mozzarella or mozzarella string cheese. The thing I like about this recipe is that we only need 2 ingredients: spring roll wrap sheets and mozzarella cheese. Let's get started. First, grab your ready-made spring roll dough sheets. These sheets are too big for my mini rolls. That is why I am cutting them to 4 pieces. Lay your sheets flat on a clean surface, like a cutting board or countertop. Brush them with some water. I find my hand convenient to do that for me. Spoon a small amount of shredded cheese or cut string cheese into pieces onto the bottom of the sheet. About 1 teaspoon should be enough. Now, fold in the sides to make it like an envelope and roll it up tightly, making sure to seal the edges with a bit of water if it is dry. This helps the rolls stay closed while frying. Repeat this process with the rest of the filling and dough sheets. It's okay if they're not perfect, just make sure they're tightly rolled. Once all your cheese rolls are ready, heat up some oil in a frying pan over medium heat. You want the oil hot enough so the cheese rolls crisp up nicely, but not too hot to burn them. Carefully place the cheese rolls in the hot oil, frying them in batches. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Make sure to flip them carefully so they cook evenly. For the best result, I found it helpful to let the filled rolls rest for about 15 minutes from frying as it dries out and gets crispy. Look at these golden, crispy rolls packed with gooey, melty cheese, perfect as a snack or a side dish. These rolls are going to be the perfect bite-sized treat for iftar. Once they're done, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, homemade cheese rolls filled with mozzarella cheese, all wrapped up in a crispy shell. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce, like sweet chili sauce or ketchup, and watch them disappear in no time. Thank you for watching this easy and tasty recipe on the Food for Life channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.
Like and subscribe.